Freaking cats. Well, here's the Minsk, and it has a flat tire in the back. Not sure how well you can tell, but yeah. See, it's just fucked there. I was driving it, and I ran over a nail. This was a while ago, probably 200 miles ago, and I took the nail out and I filled it up with Fix-A-Flat, but now it's finally just shit itself. But after about 3 friggin' weeks, got my new tube. Because the tire is in very nice condition, so that's definitely reusable. Definitely reusable. So let's go ahead and put that new tube in my very well organized wrench collection here. The way these bikes work is they've got a locking nut. Might need 2 hands for that. There we go. Locking nut here, which I'll go ahead and undo all the way. Since I'm going to take the spindle out. There we go. And the big, fuck, she's even bigger than 1 inch. Have to use a big shifter on that one. Just made the adjustable wrench the right size. Tight motherfucker. Nice. That should be able to just hammer that fucker out of there now. My favorite tool of all, right here. Might need to drift. Let's take the spindle out right there. As you can see, this is in loosely like. The only thing that's holding it on there is the brake push rod and the torque arm. These bikes have what are called quickly detachable rear wheels, which means you can take off the rear wheel without having to mess with the sprocket. So the sprocket, because it's cushion drive like that, just stays there, and it gets pushed into those sort of rubber mount things. And there's a spacer that goes in here that I've taken out. That spacer right there, and that sort of spaces it out. So you can, and it's a little bit longer than those cushion drive rubbers. So I'm just going to take off the torque arm and the push rod and be able to take the wheel off and change this tube. I disconnected the push rod thing, which isn't even a push rod at all on this bike, it's just a cable. And the torque arm is disconnected too, so I'll go ahead and pull this wheel off, which might be hard to do with one hand. So we'll try it. No, I think I'll have to actually use two. Well, after quite an ordeal, the wheel is finally off. I had to jack up the bike with cinder block and a cricket bat that I made. Yes, because I've got no one fucking helping me here. So, I did it with myself. That was kind of an ordeal since this is a very heavy bike. Since it's made of very, very heavy steel and things to be tough. So now comes the fun part. In there and he tires back on, so let's see if this thing will start. Okay, we'll let freaking Greg the goof hold the camera. Yeah, buddy. Bike's never very easy to start.
Did you post that one bit where Tommy tried to attack me with the weed whacker?
I already posted that.
Oh, I have to like it.
This friggin' bike hasn't run in about, I don't know, 2 weeks, and it's already fucking hard to start. It's probably not gonna start. Ah! Ah! Ah, nearly.
Finally.
After much bullshit. Come on. It's running.
Come in.
Look at that two-stroke. Look at that two-stroke. Just shooting.